So, people of the internet, let's talk about the future of this YouTube channel. I want to start out by truly thanking you guys for subscribing to the channel. I do realize that about 75% of the new subscribers come from my tech YouTube videos, so thank you. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, don't forget to subscribe and turn that little notification bell on. Now, I'm not going to be going anywhere, but there will be some changes over the next year. For the past year and a half, I've realized that my tech related videos have been doing pretty well. I don't know if it's my love for making tech videos that make your whole experience overall better, or it's just because tech is a really good niche to be in within YouTube. I'm still not quite sure. But the important thing is that I truly do enjoy making these type of videos. And yes, these type of videos do take quite a lot of my time to produce. To give you somewhat of an idea, I spent about a full day scripting my videos, planning the shots and selecting the music, then about 1 to 2 days to gather all my b-roll, and then 1 to 2 days to get my editing done. Overall, I can say that it takes me anywhere from 30 to 60 hours to make a video from start to finish. And I obviously produce quite a lot of content on Instagram, which can take quite a lot of chunk of my time. It hasn't been easy balancing it all, and that's why I want to make sure I can truly pursue my happiness and make tech videos. As for the schedule, I'd like to keep it consistent for now and stick to 1 video a week. I'm still in university, currently finishing my last year of computer science, and things can get quite rough. Now, if I don't post for a week, don't be alarmed. It probably just means that I'm dying with schoolwork. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, well, you guys most likely probably know what's going on in my life. For the next following weeks, I am going to be having a lot of Apple laptop overviews and potentially a custom PC video. And I would obviously love to bring a really nice comparison between the Razer Blade 15 and the MacBook Pro M1. I do realize that if I'm going to be taking this seriously and potentially maybe turning this into a full-time job, I do need to find ways to monetize the channel. Of course, ad revenue is somewhat of a way to monetize the channel, but I keep getting flagged because I like using really cool music. But the goal would definitely be to have most videos sponsored by well-known and reliable companies that don't mind me giving my honest thoughts on the products they're sending. I'm obviously planning to reinvest this money in order to get better camera equipment, hire someone to help me edit and make my YouTube videos, and hopefully get a studio so I can move out of my room. And yes, I do realize that I could be making a lot more money if I would shift my focus into web development, but it's not about the money. You see, this very particular year, I've learned that in order to be successful and happy, you truly have to do something that truly drives you. Otherwise, I will be pumping web development videos every week, making really nice and genuine tutorials, and grabbing every single gig that presents itself. As much as I truly enjoy programming, I don't think the video format is the best way for me to truly deliver valuable content for you guys. I think that the true valuable content are the tutorial videos, and I don't think that's something I would excel at. But development is still something that you guys are still going to be seeing on my Instagram page because it's genuinely something I enjoy sharing with you. But on YouTube, as my main content, I rather keep it tech related. And if you guys are wondering, well, what's going to be happening with my web development career? Well, it's something that I'm going to be pursuing more behind closed doors, mostly because I have been dealing with client and contract work, and I really can't be going around showing code on screen or even doing live streams for client projects. I'm 100% sure you guys understand. Overall, the way I would like to approach my videos is by focusing on storytelling, increasing the production quality, and try to make great overviews and reviews of the tech we all love and enjoy. I like to deliver my content in a practical way, in such a way I can actually demonstrate the use of the devices. For example, in next week's video, I am going to be pushing the MacBook Pro M1 to its limits by creating a few workflows with Adobe CC programs and also Microsoft Office. I definitely enjoy doing the reviews this way by integrating these devices into my life. I am of course open to suggestions and looking to make the overall videos a lot better. So if you guys have critics, please leave them in the comment section down below, or just leave them on the future videos. And for those who are here to stay, welcome to my channel. Welcome to the funnest 2 months I've had in a while.